Hello, I am Dr. Diane, expert on the Maya. In this interactive video, we're going to be having a look at the Maya number system. It's quite different to our number system and so can be a bit confusing to both children and adults. So first of all, we're going to look at numbers under 20, and we'll then look at slightly larger numbers to see how the Maya would write these and see if we can work them out. And then we'll move a bit further and looking at more complex numbers. And here I'll be going step by step with the children in explaining these numbers and how you work them out so they have a clear understanding of how this works. I will then be giving examples to children to try and work out for themselves. We will then move on to Maya addition. We will look at a few examples. And then I will move it over to the children themselves to work out. And then finally, subtraction, looking at how we could subtract Maya numbers, and then a few examples for the children to work out too. We will actually look at a Maya book, a codex they're called. There are only a few left in existence today, but as you can see, these are full of numbers. So we will be trying our hand at trying to work out some of these Maya numbers in the real Maya codices themselves. At the end of this video, the children then will be experts in the Maya math system and will astound all in their vast knowledge.